Captain's log, stardate 1513.1. Our position, orbiting planet M113.
Our deep space mission isn't much different. We're going to stumble, make mistakes, I'm sure more than a few before we find our footing. But we're going to learn from those mistakes. That's what being human is all about.
I don't understand.
You will. You're a perfect choice.
Captain!
Phasers.
Wait, sir, wait.
I'll make this quick. Target all aft torpedoes on the Enterprise bridge.
Sir, my crew was just following my orders. I take full responsibility for my actions, but they were mine, and they were mine alone.
My answer is still no. My lecture will have to stand on its own. And now, will you please leave my ship?
What an arrogant man you are. What do you know of Cardassian history?
I know that once you were a peaceful people.
I'm really easy to get along with, most of the time. But I don't like bullies, and I don't like threats. And I don't like you, Cullen. You can try and stop us from getting to the truth. But I promise you, if you do, I will respond with all the unique technologies at my command.
The extra mass of the cargo pod will make the torpedo less effective. Maquis raiders are small and maneuverable.
I'm not planning to fire at any ships, Mr. Worf. Major, what is the nearest Maquis colony?
Solosos 3, less than an hour away.
Helm, set a course for Solosos 3.
Aye, sir.
Major, I want you to send the following message on all Maquis frequencies.